It is about, what time is it, like 11? I went out to, this car is filthy again, man. Anyways, I drove about 3 hours to get these. Gonna have these installed tomorrow. Okay, I was filming outside, but now you can clearly see how it is. Basically some straight pipes. Nice tips. Pause.
You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Yes, sir. The seller used to have these on his C5, but it was pro charged and cammed, and it was just too loud for his liking. So he got some Borla, I think S-type, which is a little quieter. But these are gonna be sick, man. You happy? Chicken. She's like, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? Hey, don't lick it. I might set them in the closet so she won't like lick them or like be sniffing them all night. She just came to.
Another beautiful day here in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Hopefully we can get this exhaust installed. It's literally like a minute from my house. It's a Hendersonville muffler. It's by exit 3. So we're gonna go see if he can install it real quick. I have the pipes in here. Man, I can't wait, honestly. I know my neighbor's gonna love me. I know that for sure. You know, I am going to be as nice as I can to them. That way they don't hate me. I know they did when I owned the Camaro because it was super loud. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be crazy loud though. I don't know. I will put in some clips up of before and after, and that way you guys can see what the difference is. And I might have the Z06, because this is the Z06 titanium exhaust that I have right now. I might sell it just to, you know, recover the money that I just spent on these, and I won't need it anymore. So I mean, what's the point of keeping it? I'm excited. I've been waiting for the exhaust for a while because we've been talking with this guy for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then just due to the weather, due to everything, that's why I ordered. And then he wasn't really replying, you know, soon, or he would leave me on red and stuff like that, which, you know, isn't his fault because he's a busy man. He works construction, or I don't know if he works construction, but he travels a lot through a lot of states. So I understand, you know, I understood where he was coming from. Man, got the heat on, off. But I just didn't know if he was gonna get back to me, if he had sold it, because sometimes he would leave me on red and stuff like that. I just wanted to know a little bit more information on the exhaust. And that's why I ordered the other exhaust it's still being shipped to my house. It's the SRS exhaust. It was like $590 on eBay, and but I'm gonna return that if, you know, if I'm pleased what these sound like. I'll just return those. They have a 30-day return. I contacted the seller, and he was gonna try to cover it from the local FedEx or UPS, but it has already been shipped, so I'll just have to return it. I mean, these don't sound bad at all once you like, you know, you're on the throttle, but I'm just used to loud. I want loud, and that's just how I want my setup, you know. And for $200, can't beat that, man. I'm not spending $1,200, $1,500 for a boreless system. I mean, I'm just not. I know a lot of people do, and they like quality, you know, parts on their car. I totally get that. Totally get that. But that's why everybody is different, you know. Everybody is different. So I'm gonna go ahead into some muffler. Here's some little muffler. Back over here. I'm gonna go inside and see if they are ready.
What I mean? So
Yeah.
that way they could have come up a little bit higher. You see how it's riding on this?
Uh-huh.
And you can see that it was riding like that on the old one that they came off of too.
Yeah.
See the marks on it?
Yeah.
But
This-
I
this
welded,
look good
I had
though,
to weld
man.
these. I had to weld these hangers, man, onto your frame. There wasn't no place to put them,
It's fine.
you know? But I mean, if you had, I didn't weld them hard. So if you had to take them off, you could grind it back down
Well,
and never know it.
I have another exhaust on the way because I didn't know that this was gonna work. So I'm gonna have to just
You got your
return it.
keys?
No, I don't. Actually, hold on. No, he didn't give me the keys.
Hold on, let me go grab it.
Turn it on while you're at it too. Does it sound good? All right, the first start on these Corvette. This look good. Y'all let me know how this look, man. Beautiful.
Yeah, but you didn't have a gasket in one side. I don't know if it never had one.
Cause I took it off yesterday.
Yes, I had to order you a gasket too.
Okay. Go ahead and start it up, man. I want to get this on video.
All right.
How loud is it?
Loud.
Whoa, that's a difference.
It's loud.
Goodness. Oh, dude. Yeah, I've been waiting for this for a long time, man. Man, that sounds great. Sheesh. Did you have to cut the other ones?